Hi guys, it's Brandy again. I'm back with another process video for Hip Kit Club. For this layout, I'm going to be working with the free Trick or Treat cut file. I wanted to start out by adding some splatters to my page using the Lindy's Magicals from the October color kit. It was dried up from the last time that I used it, so I just reconstituted it with a little bit of water and added some extra powder to it because I wanted the color to be slightly darker, and then I just started splattering. I chose the B side of the Harvest Vibes paper and also the A side of the Thanksgiving paper to layer together on the top of my cardstock. I chose the Clementine and the Shadow Blue cardstock for my cut file. Now, because this is a Halloween layout, I chose to use the skeleton leaves as an embellishment. Then I chose this striped chipboard frame from the Embellishment kit. Sitting to the right of my layout, I have the little RIP gravestone with the pumpkin there that I cut out from one of the cards in the Pocket Life kit. Now, unfortunately, I did have some technical difficulties with filming. I filmed me embellishing this page, but somewhere in trying to upload it, it just messed up. I don't know what happened, but you can see I did use some pieces from the Pocket Life kit, the puffy stickers, and the cardstock stickers to complete this layout with. And I also machine stitched around the edges and then added some journaling, which is rare for me. Oh, and I'm finishing up with some pearls. I hope you guys enjoyed today's short video. Remember, cut files are free to subscribers. And as a subscriber, you also save $5 on your monthly kit and 15% off any add-on kit that you choose. If you have any questions about today's process or the products I used, please leave me a comment. Thanks again, guys. I hope you have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.